Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a highly requested topic, how to find affordable housing in Japan. Whether you are planning to move or already here and looking for a new place, this guide will provide you with all the tips and tricks to make your house hunting as smooth as possible. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the types of housing available in Japan. You have several options depending on your budget and needs. Apartments or apato and mansion are the most common choices. You might also consider guest houses or shared housing for more affordable options, which offer a sense of community. For those who prefer ready-to-move-in options, Leo Paris apartments are popular among foreigners because they come furnished and with short-term leases. Now, where do you start your search? There are several key platforms great for finding housing in Japan. Websites like Sumo and Homes offer extensive listings with detailed descriptions and photos. For those who need English support, Gaijin Pot Apartments is a fantastic resource. And remember, speaking even a little Japanese can open up many more options on local sites. Understanding the cost involved in renting in Japan is crucial. Apart from the monthly rent, you'll often encounter key money or reikin, deposit fees known as shikikin, and agent fees. In Japan, navigating rental costs can seem daunting at first, but with a few strategies, you can potentially lower these expenses. Key money, reikin, this is a non-refundable fee paid to the landlord as a gesture of gratitude. It can sometimes be negotiated or even waived. Security deposit, shikikin, this refundable deposit covers potential damages. When you move out, if your apartment is in good condition, you can get much of this deposit back. Agent fees, typically 1 month's rent. Some agents might reduce this fee during slower rental periods or for longer lease agreements. Guarantor fees. If you require a guarantor, the fee for this service can also vary. Shopping around for guarantor service or negotiating the fee can save you money. One effective strategy to reduce overall costs is to time your move during off-peak seasons. In Japan, the rental market slows down between April and August, making landlords more open to negotiation to fill their properties. Consider older properties. While they may lack some modern amenities, they often come with lower rents and fewer tenants competing for the same space. By understanding these costs and preparing to negotiate, you can make a more informed decision and potentially save a significant amount on your move to or within Japan. The rental process in Japan can be quite formal. You'll need to provide documents like your passport and proof of income, and it's essential to thoroughly understand your rental agreement. Although we can't bring in an expert to chat today, I've gathered essential insights from experienced real estate professionals about what foreigners should watch out for when signing a lease in Japan. Firstly, it's crucial to understand all the terms in your lease agreement. Here are some key points you should be aware of. Lease term and renewal. Ensure you know how long the lease runs and what happens when it ends. Some contracts automatically renew, while others may require a new agreement. Penalties for early termination. Find out if there are any penalties for breaking the lease early. This is important if you might need to move unexpectedly. Maintenance responsibilities. Check who is responsible for maintenance and repairs. Often, tenants are responsible for minor repairs and maintenance. Subletting rules. Make sure whether the lease allows you to sublet the apartment, which can be crucial if you need to leave Japan for a while. Another critical aspect is to ensure that all verbal agreements are included in the written lease. Verbal promises not documented in the contract are generally not enforceable, so getting everything in writing is key. Armed with this information, you'll be better equipped to navigate the leasing process in Japan. Always take your time to read the contract thoroughly and don't hesitate to ask for clarifications or seek legal advice if something doesn't seem right. Before we wrap up, here are some final tips. Learning basic Japanese phrases can significantly ease your rental experience, and don't hesitate to use a real estate agent that specializes in helping foreigners. Also, consider all additional costs like utilities and furniture if your apartment is furnished. That's it for our guide on finding affordable housing in Japan. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends who might be facing the same challenges. For more detailed guides and personalized support, visit our website at japanguidepro.com. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.